lot of new and exciting products for 2017, and I'd like to show you a little bit up close some of the things we're going to be offering this year.
Joel, this looks like a great end-to-end product offering here for any landscape contractor. Obviously, you have the low-voltage lighting, the Haven mosquito repellent system, and these custom aquatics projects. But maybe you can tell me about a little bit about our latest offerings and any sort of innovative ways that you could increase profit margin and really get a great offering.
Sure, you bet, Steve. So the outdoor rooms in general are becoming extremely popular, and people are spending a lot more times in their backyard. So this room is sort of a gathering of all things that make up an outdoor living space, and we wanted to sort of give contractors an idea and our landscape professionals how you would apply these into a backyard in a more condensed area. So for instance, the first item we have here, this is a spillway bowl. So this is actually meant to be a water feature. We just are using it in a different way to make it into a big mossy planter, but these are great small waterscape areas, so you don't have to be a pond expert and potentially be worried about putting a big liner in somebody's backyard, and maybe your client's not really ready for a bigger water feature. So we've showcased a lot of water features that can be put into very small spaces and can be installed in as little as 3 hours, spillway bowl being one of them. If we move over, flanking this spillway bowl is a new product from Aquascape that's called the Pagoda Stone feature. So the Pagoda Stone comes as a complete kit. It has everything you need to install it. We have it elevated off the floor, but this basin gets buried right in the ground. It has everything you need to plumb, put all the kits together, and it gives the homeowner just a really nice, soft sounding water feature. Beautiful stone. That's all natural stone, and every one is a little bit different, so it gives our contractors the ability to create a slightly different effect at each of their clients' homes. Cast lighting, we're featuring their Craftsman line of solid bronze lighting fixtures. So these aren't brass or coated aluminum. These are actually solid bronze fixtures that are sand cast board. Really extremely durable, great for our environment. The price point's great for the contractors, so they can offer a no hassle, no callbacks lighting system. So that's we're really excited about that line. That's going to be a big one for us this year. Next to the cast fixture, we have a new line of 12-volt wired mosquito protection repellent system called Haven, and it's offered by one of our companies, Brone Newtone. It's probably one of the most exciting products we've seen come down the pike in a while. These are able to be spaced out at about 10 to 12 feet along a patio or outdoor living space, and really about 92.5% effective against the 3 major strains of mosquitoes that we see here in Wisconsin and in the Midwest. And we have seen it, just nothing but positive results from it. So we're very, very excited about the Haven system, and we think it's going to be a big seller for us this year. Kichler Lighting has introduced a new line of Centennial brass fixtures, including path lights and uplights, and they continue to add new products to that monthly. This line is a very low price point but high-end solid brass fixtures that use drop-in LED lighting technology, and we have seen these take off and explode off of our shelves, and we're looking for big things in 2017 for it. We have a line of smokeless fire pits from a company called Brio, and these are the Brio and Zentro smokeless fire pits. These are actually double-walled, either stainless or standard, heavy-duty metal fire pits, and they actually pull smoke back into them after they've been fired up for about 20 minutes. And so it gives the homeowners who want that, backyard fire pit and more of a sort of architectural look to them, and they don't want to have to worry about and deal with all of the smoke that you typically have with fire pits. These things work very, very well. We actually have the bigger one at our house and enjoy it almost nightly. So 2017 at Reinders is exciting because it's plunging us into the world of outdoor audio. We have partnered with a company, Sonoray, to produce an outdoor audio all-in-one lighting kit that produces just amazing outdoor sound. So customers that are looking for to add sound into their element, we've got the fire and the light and all of the water features and everything. And what we were missing was that sound component. So we see a lot of people struggling with trying to hook up a simple little Bluetooth speaker that they have to blast in order to get sound out into the other areas of the yard. This envelops you in sound, and so these little remote speakers are concealed, and they look like little lighting fixtures throughout the property, and they're aimed in at your house, so we don't have to worry about neighbors getting upset or anything. And so when you're having parties, that sound just emanates throughout the entire backyard. Really exciting product, and we're looking forward to seeing a lot of them installed this year. So Reinders also has a line of Bistro Lights. So anybody that's been to Italy in the backyard lounge, this year we're kind of focused in trying to create that scene that you would see at an Italian cafe or anything, with these hung Bistro Lights in a non-uniform area. So we have a little addition to it, which is the lights that we're using are actually LED, so we don't have to worry about constantly changing out lamps and bulbs. They just really hold up well to the elements, and this is something that can be mounted year-round, so you don't have to take it down like typical holiday lights are. So we're looking forward to seeing more of these out there. They definitely add a different element to a backyard than traditional lighting does. So another product that we're excited to offer is FX Luminaires ZDC color system. So we can actually take a backyard lighting system that normally would have that warm white look and add color themes throughout the year. So if we're trying to accent evergreens, for instance, that have a bluer look, we can actually shift colors to do that. And then for holidays like 4th of July and Christmas, we can change the color and create all different effects and have them move and throughout the season. So it provides a whole nother element for a backyard. So another exciting lighting product that we have at Reinders is made by a company called WAC. It's a fully adjustable lighting fixture all in one. So not only can you adjust the beam spread from 10 degrees up to 60 degrees, but there's a little dial on the side of it that allows you to just adjust the lumen output of it. So if you're lighting a small specimen tree, you can put it on its lowest setting, which is about 4 watts. And if you're lighting a giant 100-foot oak in somebody's backyard, you simply crank that up to the 16-watt version, and you're getting something that's over 1,000 lumens. So it's a really neat fixture because it allows people to use the same fixture on a lot of different elements in the yard and just adjust it manually after everything's installed to fine-tune their lighting system.